Yamaha YZF R2. Now it's finally here, 20 years almost after the R15 first made its way to Indian showroom floors. Now we're really excited for this motorcycle because these R series from Yamaha हमेशा से परफॉर्मेंस के लिए एक बेंचमार्क रही है. कहने को 200 सीसी की मोटरसाइकिल है, but it will be punching above its weight. Let's take a quick look at what's going on over here. Now, if you're going to look at the front here, it's a similar design as other R series motorcycles from Yamaha. It's very sharp, very edgy. You've got that center headlamp with these DRLs flanking, a really aggressive position. Side की तरफ आएंगे, you will see a muscular tank over here. They say it's bigger than the R15, looks also bigger than the R15, and I have a feeling this will be a lot more easier to hold on to the motorcycle when you're pushing it on the racetrack. Now at the back, you see a double seat over here. Well, it's a stepped up seat, and you know the visual identity of the R15 has always been that high seat at the back, and well, this one kind of levels out with the tank, but it looks like a cohesive design over here. Now overall, this looks like a proper super sport motorcycle. Now the engine on this, it's a 200cc motor, makes about 26.5 PS. You've also got it making 19.1 Newton meters of torque, 6-speed transmission hai. Now you've got different variants throughout the lineup. The base variant that does not have a quick shifter. Mid variant onwards, you do get a quick shifter on this motorcycle. It is an up and down quick shifter. And you've also got an electronic throttle body. So basically the integration over here is going to be a lot better. Now one thing I really love about the R2, it's the instrument cluster. It is not a very big unit, but the graphics on there, they look really cool, really sharp, and I think they look really aggressive. And you've got these buttons over here which basically allow you to go through different things over here. You can get your music, your navigation, your notifications, weather, your ride control, and settings basically to go through the entire motorcycle. You've got a lot of stuff that's happening over here, but I want to talk about the main stuff. You've got 3 different riding modes over here. You've got a sport mode, you've got a street mode, you've got a rain mode, and then you've also got a custom mode in which you can basically tweak the traction control, the quick shifter settings, and stuff like that. Now, when you'll be going through the different engine modes over here, basically what it will do is it will tweak how the motorcycle responds to your inputs, and that's been majorly possible because of the fact that this motorcycle gets an electronic throttle body. That's how they'll be tweaking everything on there, and that's how you will basically be able to experience the motorcycle in different modes. Now, what's the R2 like to sit on? Well, right here. This is the position you will get onto the bike in. This is how you're going to be tucking it in. Now, this is going to be the more relaxed position to ride. Now, if you really want to tuck in, this is how it will be. You can really drop your arms low right here. And I think this is going to be a fantastic position for the track. But obviously, I'm going to reserve my judgments on that jab tak main ye bike nahi chala leta. Let's come to the price. Starts at about 2.3 lakhs for the standard base variant, about 2.39 lakhs for the mid variant, which has got a quick shifter, and then you've got a top end variant, which is the basically R2M variant, which has inspiration from their MotoGP series. That's about 2.53 lakhs if I'm not mistaken. Now, on the top variant, you get a lot of adjustability in terms of suspension, clutch levers. Exactly how much adjustability, that is something we've not been able to confirm until now. We will find it out before we ride the bike next month, but that is going to be the price range. So 2.3 lakh to 2.53 lakh, that's about what the R2 is going to be priced at. Now, what's your take on that? Do you think the jump from the R15 to the R2 demands that much of a jump in the price? I want you to tell me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.